to a new video, guys. So short announcement at the beginning of these sets of videos. So what we are doing is a charity fundraiser sort of event. By watching these videos, you are indirectly supporting Macmillan Cancer Support. All my income from December will be going and donating to Macmillan Cancer Support in January. So I'd much appreciate it if you hit that big red subscribe button at the bottom, turn on notifications so you know when I upload a video. It should be twice a week, Wednesday and Friday, and make sure you share the video to make more people watch it, to try and raise as much as we can possibly raise this month. It'd be amazing to give lots and lots of money over to charity. Right, so hope you enjoy the video. Make sure you stay tuned for lots of these videos over the course of December.
Hello everyone, hope you're having a good Christmas. Merry Christmas to everyone. So we've got a new video on how to set a song as an alarm on your iPhone. So we're going to go to the clock app, go to alarms, click on edit if you have one already set. And then we can go to this is label, so you can rename it, but you want to go to sound. Once you are on sound, you can scroll up to the top and there's an option that says pick song. I've already got 2 songs above it because I've already done this before. And what you can do is you can search for your song. So I'm going to go NCS, non-copyrighted sound, music, just in case it plays. Don't want to get a copyright strike, do we? So I'll turn my volume down a bit so you shouldn't be able to hear it. Right, so anyway, you can click save. Just to warn you, this does turn on the alarm, so you might want to switch it off if you don't actually need the alarm now, or whatever time you set it for. If you don't actually need it, you might want to turn it off. But let's just walk through the process again, because you might want to change the song again. So click edit, and then click the sound, and then you can click pick a song. And if we switch to like another song, and then switch back, or click the other song and just leave it. But then you can also have loads of different ringtones, and you also have the Apple default. So let's just check this out. A new feature, so vibrations, well, not new feature, different feature, vibrations, just an extra little tip for you. Hope you found the video useful, and Merry Christmas to all of you.